to these cars, and it touches.
North Knox Avenue in Chicago is an enduring testament to a World War II Marine, a recipient of 2 Purple Hearts, 2 Silver Stars, and a Bronze Star.
Anything from 1900 to a 2019 Mustang Roush. It has a concentration of vehicles that are vintage and classic, and his collection was polished and placed here, and it's now open to the public.
There's the Batmobile, President Eisenhower's car, and Michael Jordan's Bentley. But who is Larry Klairmont? Well, he was born in Maine, raised by his grandmother during the Great Depression.
What brings us all together is that these cars all represent something each and every one. And they point to these cars, and it touches them. It has an endearing experience, and their ability to share